And this is how we were finding content that was just unbelievable. So the process and the point of creating this content is, for me, I go live, and then that live, when I get done with it, I download it and I then turn it into shorts, and I turn it into mediums, and I turn them into longs. So basically, short is anything less than a minute, mediums are like 3 to 5 minutes, and then longs are like 5 minutes plus. And then this all starts from the live. So it's cool. I get up, I do the live, whatever. I came up with the topic for the live by doing this little cheat process. So let me show you what I did. I went and I pretended, so this is the cycle here. We're going to go through this right here. And basically, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. And I've been doing this process, and it's been working really, really well. I've been getting a lot more people on live, getting hundreds of followers a day on my TikTok channel, and it's turning into money. So let's keep doing this, right? And what we're going to do is you be the person searching for the solution. So think about the problem that you solve and what you're doing, and then pretend you're that person. And what I did is I just went out on YouTube, and people are asking about how do you create content, all this stuff. And I was like, okay, this is a real problem. Like, people can create a website, people can create a funnel, people have a product, but then they can't get anybody to become a lead and then a sale because they're not able to create content. And this is really becoming an issue for them. And I get it. So I was thinking to myself, like, well, how do you come up with content? And I did a pocket coaching over that, and we talked about that. But then I took it even further because I started thinking about how I actually train ChatGPT. And there's so many people that are so good at this. Like, I'm not claiming to be like amazing or whatever, but I've been able to do something that has actually worked really well. So I came here and I just pretend I'm the person that is searching for the problem. So I'm thinking, well, how do I create content? And, and these are things that came up, and I was, okay, so how to create content without showing your face. So I could create a piece of content on that, but I wanted to take this to a different place. And I knew that I wanted to really talk about things that people were really having trouble with. And this is what actually gets people to view your content. They actually can't resist your content. And it's something that is just, I wanted it that way for you. I want it that way so that when they see the content, when they see and hear the topic, they're like, okay, I have to check this out. I have to see this. And then it gives you the opportunity to get known, get liked, and get trusted so that they can buy your stuff. And that's exactly what people are doing with me.